Welcome to another video. This time we will create this dynamic balls with a Redshift and Cinema 4D. I will mainly focus on creating these shapes with dynamics and creating the material, layered material with a color user data to create a random color on cloner objects, and I think you will enjoy it. Let's jump into the project. So I will start with a sphere. So this will be our base sphere. For base, we can increase the segment. Maybe we can press NB so that we can view the lines. And we need another. This is our base, and we need another. This will be our small sphere, and small around 0.5 centimeter. And another, and that is large, and it will be around 2 for now. Okay, I can group all these and make it name it like objects. Okay, so I need the base first. I can off this for now, and I will use displacer, and if I press shift C, displacer, and if I hold shift, it will be child of this automatically. Hold shift and double click, then if you select any object, then it will be automatically the child of this. So I will actually create a node shader, and maybe I can change the value around 4. Everything looks good. Maybe I can play with some. Yeah, maybe something like that. If we go to animation, then we can get a clear view. Okay, maybe something like this we can work on. Okay, I can save it. Now this part is fine for now. We'll take a camera, maybe go to render setting, and we'll change from standard to Redshift so that we can get everything what we create as a Redshift object or material. So we'll create a camera, standard camera, and if we see through it, yeah, that's good for now. Maybe we can get out of the camera, and we will make the cloner. So again, shift C, cloner, and if we this time if we hold Alt and double click, it will create as a parent of the object. So now we have the cloner. We want it not grid but as object, so we will place this base object so we can have a lot of clones. So we don't want it 100, maybe around 24, and same for the large one, so it will run 24, and we want a lot, maybe around 3000. Sorry, it will be 3000, not 300. And we can do the same for a large one, and object base. Okay, that's the issue. Yeah, maybe 25. Okay, and we want some randomness. So for the randomness, we can use a shader vector, tomograph effector, shader. I can put it on both of the cloner and parameter, not scale is the same one, but I want something for that. I want noise, and I wanna maybe more contrast. Okay, let's start with this first, and we can change later if we need. So okay, now we will use some dynamic. So this is our base, it will be our color body, and these two will be our rigid body. And now if we play, we will not get a good result because it will burst away. So for that we need to work on here. If we put a value, follow position, follow rotation, it will try to stick with the current position the cloners have now. So we can play with this, but for now I will use 10 because yeah, it will stick together. And we want randomness in our size of the balls, so maybe for this one I can do 1.5, and for this is I can create a couple. Okay, 1.4, 1.2, 0.3, 0.15, 0.25, need 1.5 actually. Okay, okay, now if we play, let's see what happens. Yeah, it's better. It's better, I like it. And trader, maybe we can. Okay, 0.5. Okay, let's play it now. Okay, we need to do one more thing. We want this to be around 6,000, sorry. And let's play. Let's see. Okay, so I will stick with this. Maybe we can play around this, but yeah, we can spend some time. But for tutorial sake, I will try to be time efficient. So I will take a shot from here. Maybe we need a background. I'll rename it as BG, and I'll put it here. And we don't need it so large. Maybe we can scale it down and go to our camera. We are on the wrong side, so we need to not that much. minimize the segment. And minimize the size also. Maybe 50 by 50 will be enough now. Yeah, maybe 60 by 60 is good. Okay, so that's our scene. Maybe we can change the camera a little bit and we'll make it square, maybe 13, 15. Yeah, something like this for now. Okay, I think I will do one more thing. I don't want this type of sphere. I want something different, and it can be not standard, but and for that I think we are good now. Yeah, that's it. This will help us to I guess yeah, let's see. This now we will jump to the fun part, lighting and texturing, and for that I will change my layout to RS Redshift, and I have everything here, so it is already here. First I will do one thing, and that is I will create a dome light, and our lighting will be pretty simple. Just I will use SDRI, Office SDRI. So if you have another, so that's also okay, because it will work. You can use another SDRI, but I will use this Creative Office. I guess it is Creative Office, yes. Let's check. Have to check something. Okay, for now maybe around 90. No, maybe around plus 90. Okay, that looks interesting to me. Maybe 5 or something like this, so that we can have more light here. Or maybe 20. No, minus 20. Yeah, some better. Whatever, 10. Maybe 5. Maybe 100. Yeah, that's better. Okay, let's stick with this for now. We can change it anytime, but for now we will stick with this. Okay, don't forget to save. I will create new material and I will rename it to, okay, this other material. So I will rename it. This one is PG and this one is color ball. Okay, first work with BG, and BG will go to BG, and we can change the color a little bit, maybe something a little off because it is a background. And for color ball, we will use some other nodes to make it beautiful. Okay, let's do it. In new versions, maybe from 26, we don't have this nodes panel here. Just you need to click on the plus sign and you can lock it. I love to lock it, but we can make it a little smaller, maybe like this. Okay, so first I need a ramp because we want this colorful, and another we need color user data, and yeah, this things with our gradient. Maybe we can take something from here, maybe this one. Again, preview. We can see the preview. How does it look like now? It's not looking as we expect because we are not there yet. We need to change something here. So if it's like the color user data, then there is a process preset. We can go there, and when you go to objects, you will get geometry ID color, and when you select this one, then this will create different ID color for this different cloner. So if we add more, maybe double nodes, then it will add more, and if we add different color for each section, there will be different color here, but I think we're fine with this, and actually I am happy with the color right now we have, but I am not happy with the glossiness because we don't want these glossy balls, we want something glossy. Okay, let's add some bump. Then bump bump, we need the bump blender. We can stop it for now. Bump map, we need texture. Okay, so texture, I will use this texture from 3D collected texture pack. It looks like something like this. You can use another texture, that's also fine, because on the base of the texture there will be some bump and roughness, so it will create the shape for the balls. We can connect it, input and with the base input, and I think bump map. Okay, but we don't need a lot of height. We maybe 0.015, something like that, or maybe a little more. We can check it again. And we want another thing, we want some, okay, we want some roughness over our reflection because we don't want it so reflective, right? So let's see. Okay, these things are getting, but it is too big. We don't want that big. We want something maybe 2. How does it look like now? 2. Is it okay? Is it okay? But yeah, it's okay for me. Or maybe 2.5. 2.5, I think not better. Okay, but we can do one more thing. We can add a ramp over here to control our intensity of the roughness. So maybe around 50. Okay, and maybe around 35. Okay, so now we have, let's go see object. Yes, so we can change our background color a little bit more. We don't want that focus over the background. Maybe something light. This will be fine, I guess. Yeah, it's fine for now, but we don't want it glossy, so roughness or we can make it yeah, yeah, it's fine. It's fine for now. The background is fine, everything is fine. Just see it from the close. Maybe we can make it a little bigger. Yeah, that's nice. I like it, I guess. Yeah, but we are not close to this one because these shapes are very interesting to me. But I think we can play with the shapes and make something like that, or we can play with the camera a little bit. Do the fill from here. Okay, for that, yeah, it's fine. So we can play with the field. Maybe around 20, or we can select it from here. Cool. And Boca, we can. Oh, one is fine, I guess already. That's super cool. I like it. Maybe we can add some more intensity. I don't know, 1.1. Yeah, basically that's all. That's the basic setup. So definitely we can play with more, especially with the shapes to get some depth, and you can also put some extra balls here to make it more interesting. It's up to you, but for detail check I'm not going that further because that's the basic setup we need to play with this. And you can change the texture, just go there and place this one because these are connected with different. Just play and change the texture, everything will change here. So yeah, and you can do some color correction in After Effects, and you can take some passes so that you can have more control in After Effects over color, and you can use essays. So yeah, that's all. That's basically all. And let me know if you have any questions, and I can try to help that. So yeah, that's all from this video. See you next time. Have fun and keep smiling.